Okay, we're back on our doorbell. Now, our battery isn't fully charged, but it says you can set it up without the battery being fully charged. So we got our battery. Let me just pull it out of there again. And your clip is on the top, so that's on the front end of your charger. So you put your battery there, and you slide it in. Let's see what happens. The battery is located in there. And there you go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 11 times that flashed, and it stopped now. So we're going to download the app and try and set it up. Now let me just show you quickly in the manual. This light's glaring on everything, but we'll try and work with it. There's our battery. We plugged it in, and there's where it tells you. So if we come over to the next page, that's how you insert your battery into your ring. And on here, it will show you where you can get your software to work your Ring doorbell too. Right, once you get it in, that's what it looks like. And there you go. What you'll have to do once you've downloaded it, follow the online on-screen instruction to finish installing it. This is just the actual installing of the gadget to the wall or your door, wherever you're installing it to. Hope that lot made sense. So we're gonna crack on with downloading it, the app, and then get back to you and show you what we did and how we done it. All right, see you later.